very easy recipe. I'm telling you how to make ghee, Shuddha ghee, clarified butter at home. We are using only one ingredient to make this, and this is easily available. So to know how to make this, please follow the video, and if you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and hit the bell icon to get the new recipe updates. Let's start. So the only ingredient we need to make this is unsalted sweet cream butter. So it's not necessary it should be sweet cream, but it should be unsalted because we are making clarified butter from it. And I am using the one called Kirkland Signature brand. This is available in Costco. But you can use any brand. Just make sure that your butter is unsalted. And I can show you the ingredients. It does contain milk, and I'm using 2 lb, like this is 1 lb and another 1 lb, so I'm making clarified butter using this 2 lb butter. So yep, let's start. So in this 1 lb box you will get 4 cubes of 4 ounce each. So I just removed it, and take a saucepan, turn on the heat in the medium flame. Remove the paper, butter paper. Put all the cubes inside the pan. All the cubes inside the pan. Now let it melt down, and then we need to cook this on a medium flame, and we need to stir it occasionally so it will not get burned. We need nice yellow colored clarified butter, ghee, not the black color. So you need to make sure that you stir it in between, so it should not get burned. So if you are living outside India, so in India you can easily get the thick malai, thick cream from your milk after boiling, and you can store that for 2-3 days and then make butter and then ghee. So if you are living outside the India where it is difficult to get that consistency of malai, the thick malai, so this is the easiest way to make ghee at home. Just you need the unsalted butter, and you need to make sure that you cook it completely so it convert into ghee. So the process will be same what we do in India to convert butter into ghee. It's just we are skipping first 2 steps for taking malai out from the milk and then making butter out of it. We are just making ghee out of the butter directly. Butter is melted completely. Now here is the thing, this is not the ghee, this is melted butter. Now you need to cook it properly. You need to cook it about 10 to 15 minutes to get the clarified butter, ghee out of it. So just make sure you stir it in between. It should not get stick in bottom. So you can use this method in India as well. It's not like if you're living in India you cannot use it. Just buy the unsalted butter and you can make ghee out of it. It will taste as it is like the Shuddha ghee, what we make using malai and then butter and then ghee. So you can try this method and you will surely like this. Now there is no foam in it. Now you need to cook it for about 5-6 minutes. Make sure you stir in between. It should not get burned. You will not get the nice yellow color, otherwise you will get the black color. So you need to make sure you look into this while cooking. So there is a point when you will see no white color, like you can see white color in this, and this is still not converted into clarified butter, but there will be a point where you will not see anything. It will be pure transparent, and that is the point you know that your clarified butter is ready. So you need to cook it for another 4-5 minutes. Switch off the flame. Now you can see our clarified butter is ready. See, you can see the transparent color. Switch off the flame, and now you can see our clarified butter is ready. See, it's so transparent. It's not like buttery now. And let it cool down, and then we will shift it into a glass jar, airtight container, once it's cooled down. And the leftover you can use in making chapati dough, or you can use in your breads, cake. So in India we used to add half spoon of sugar in it, because the cream is the ghee is made up of fresh cream, fresh malai. So we used to put the half spoon sugar in it, and we just eat it as it is. But here we are using the store-bought butter. We don't know how fresh it is, so we will not we will not eat it directly, but we can add that in our dough to make chapati. So let it cool down. Our clarified butter is cooled down. Now take a strainer and take a glass jar. Strain this. Clarified butter is ready, and here you can see some is left, so you can use this to make a chapati dough, or you can use to make paratha. Hope you guys like this easy recipe to make clarified butter at home. Do try this and let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and hit the bell icon to get the new recipe updates. Thank you.